Today we see the birds sunbathing.
We won.
It's not over yet.
Oh, dude.
That was pretty cool. There's still that
Wow.
one down deep in the hole. He covers
can't even see
himself
him.
with sand. See him?
Yeah.
His little belly, he like gets all covered in sand. That's so funny. It seems like that would weigh him down. I wonder if that's how the feathers got all over the patio. And why there was little turds all over the stairs. Because they stopped by for a sand bath. They said, let's go get a sand bath. Hey, watch, you're coming back. That one is really getting, he must be really dirty. He's just,
Should we be nice to Dad?
look at the other one, just really, he's down in the little hole. He won't get out of that little hole.
Mm-mm.
You can't even see him, but you should just see his top of his head. No, that's insulting. Stop saying they don't care all the time.